administrators, headed by our school president, Engineer Jake Bakal, our beloved school principal and director, Mrs. Norma M. Batay, to our school treasurer and secretary, Attorney Madeline and Bakay Tolentino, respected members of the core group, dynamic teachers and staff, our dear parents, meritorious achievers, fellow graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen. A pleasant afternoon and welcome to your commencement exercises and recognition rites. I am filled with both gratitude and pride as I stand before you. It has been an honor to be recognized among such remarkable individuals. Today will forever be etched in our memories, a milestone of triumph, reflection, and new beginnings. Graduation is more than just a ceremony. It's a celebration of the challenges we face, the friendships we've built, and the growth we've experienced. As we stand here today, ready to take our next steps into junior high school, we pause to look back on all that we've accomplished. It is a moment to honor the hard work, the late nights, and the determination that have brought us to this very occasion. We entered elementary school with a big goal, to graduate with pride, dignity, and gratitude. However, this journey brought about many challenges, such as difficult decisions to make and feelings to navigate. Nevertheless, the challenging demands of intense academics, never-ending piles of requirements and performance tasks, and inevitable influences of modern society and technology were all necessary elements for us to reach this very day, our graduation. Indeed, Camellia School has consistently been there to guide and shape us into well-rounded individuals. As we take the first step in our educational journey, we have embraced the values of a true Camelian, living as individuals of integrity, compassion, and responsibility. This ceremony is also a reminder of the power and potential that lies within each of us, the Filipino youth. Our team, Filipino Youth for a Stronger Future of a New Philippines, is a powerful call to action. It is a reminder that we are not merely graduates. We are the torchbearers of a new generation, ready to face the challenges and the opportunities that await our beloved country. Today, as we wear